Coaching Shipyard Limited has introduced 308 apprenticeship opportunities for the students. So those who are interested to apply, they can apply for that because applications are going on currently. In the video, we are going to discuss about these 308 apprenticeship opportunities in ITI trade and technician. So don't forget to complete this video and the notification. And before we start this apprenticeship opportunity, don't forget to subscribe our channel, Your PDF Job Updates and Preparation. So hello everyone, I am Geeta Verma and welcome to our channel. So let's talk about the apprenticeship opportunities introduced by Coaching Shipyard. And yes, these apprenticeship opportunities only for the people those who are in Kerala. So yes, if you belong to Kerala state, then you can apply for this apprenticeship opportunity because it is clearly mentioned in the notification. So if you have the domicile of Kerala, then you can apply for it. And yeah, 308 opportunities are here in ITI trade and technician. So if you talk about the stipend, then 8,000 stipend will be given for ITI trade apprenticeship opportunities in multiple fields. These ITI trade opportunities are given. 300 apprenticeship opportunities are here. If you want to apply, you can apply for that. And yeah, for technician, for vocational part, 8 apprenticeship opportunities are here and 9,000 stipend will be provided here. If we talk about the eligibility criteria, then only 10 classes required for ITI trade, and yes, you should have NTC, that is National Trade Certificate. You should have it, and then you can apply for the current opening. Minimum age is 18 years that you should have. And yeah, if you want to apply for this position, then applicant shall be a domicile in Kerala. So if you belong to the state of Kerala, then you can apply for the current apprenticeship opportunity. If you talk about the apprenticeship opportunity for technician, then it is clearly mentioned if you have passing vocational higher secondary education, then you can apply for this technician's vocational apprenticeship opportunity. So this is the educational qualification which is required here. If you talk about the duration, just like the other apprenticeship opportunity, the duration will be only 1 year, just like the other things. And yeah, for the selection procedure, if we talk about for all the apprenticeship opportunities, always understand the selection will be on the behalf of your percentage only. So if you will apply for the current opening, then they will shortlist you, then they will call you for the current apprenticeship opportunity. Till 4th October 2023, you can apply for that. There will be no travel expense and anything will be given. How do you have to apply it? There will be 2 phases of application that is clearly mentioned. The first phase will be you will have to register on the website of CSL, that is Coaching Shipyard Limited. Then you have to give the submission for the trade and vocational apprenticeship opportunities. So applications are totally online. We are going to provide you the application link so you don't face any difficulty. Just check out the description of this video. We are providing the website link, the notification link and the application link. So apply for this apprenticeship opportunity if you belong to the state of Kerala and you are completing the complete eligibility criteria. So apply for the current apprenticeship opportunity. All the best for the application and thank you so much. And yeah, always keep in mind the deadline is 4th October 2023. Online applications are here and apply before 4th October 2023.